Hello children, good morning. Today write bookwork in English. All of you take your Tulips book and take given the page number 3030. See this page children. This is first line, second line, third line and this one is fourth line. Now how to write small letters H to Z. The letter children. See this is what letter? Yes, small h. First trace the letter. Children, see the next line. Put your pencil on the first red line. Draw one standing line. Come and touch the third line. Stop the third line. Again you go up on the line. Go and touch the second line. Curve on the second line and come down. Stop the third line. Say this is what letter? Yes, small h. Write this line fully. Children, see the next letter. H after what letter? I. Trace the letter I. I is very simple. Put your pencil on the second line. Draw standing line. Stop the third line and curve like this. Put the dot. So this is small I. Write this line fully. Children, see the next letter I after J. Trace the letter small j. This letter also very easy. Put your pencil on the second line. Draw one standing line. Come down. Touch the last red line and curve, small curve on the last red line. Next, put the dot. Say this is what letter? Small j. Write this line fully. J completed. Say j after small k. Trace the letter small k. Say and write children. Put your pencil on the first red line. Draw one standing line. Stop the third line. Next, leave small gap. Again, put your pencil on the second line. Draw small slanting line like this and again draw another one slanting line. Draw like this and touch the third line. So this is what letter? Small k. They write this line fully. Children, small k completed. Say k after what letter? Yes, L. So L also very easy. First trace the L. Put your pencil on the first red line. Draw one standing line. Touch the third line and curve on the third line. This is small L. So write this line fully. Small L after? Yes, small m. Trace the letter. Trace on the dots. Children, put your pencil on the second line. Draw one standing line. This second line and third line. This two line touch and write. Again you go up on the line. Touch the second line. Curve on the second line. Again come down. Stop the third line. Again you go up on the line. Go and touch the second line. Curve on the second line and come down. Stop the third line and curve like this. So this is what letter? Small m. Write this line fully. Say m after what letter? Yes, n. Trace the n. Listen children. Keep a pencil on the second line. Draw one standing line. This two line touch and draw. Again you go up on the line. Touch the second line. Curve on the second line and come down. Touch the third line. Curve on the third line like this. See this is what letter? N. Small n. Write this line fully. See the next page. Children, n after what letter? O. Small o. Trace the letter. O is very easy. Put your pencil on the second line. Curve on the second line and come down. Touch the third line. Write like that. See. Again, go and join like this. See this is what letter? Yes. Small o. Write this line fully. O after P. Small p. Trace the letter. Children listen. Put your pencil on the second line. Draw one standing line. Draw down. Come and touch the red line. Again, put your pencil on the second line. Curve on the second line. Curve and come down. Touch the third line and write like this. Small p. Write this line fully. P after what letter? Q. Trace the letter. Small q. And put your pencil on the second line. Curve like that C. This two line touch and write. Curve like that C. Go and join the C. Again, you come down on the line. Come and touch the last red line. Again, small slanting line. Draw like this. See, this is what letter? Small q. Write this line fully. Children, Q after what letter? R. Small r. Trace the letter. R is very easy. Put your pencil on the second line. Draw one standing line. Put your pencil middle on the standing line and draw like this. This is what letter? Small r. Write this line fully. And R after what letter? S. Small s. Trace the letter, children. Small s. Listen, children. Put your pencil on the second line. Curve on the second line. Again, curve like this. And come and touch the third line. Curve on the third line. So this is what letter? Small s. Yes, this two line touch and write. Write this line fully. S after what letter? Small t. Trace the letter T. Children, put your pencil up on the second line. Second line ku mela pencil vechukkunga. Draw one standing line. Come and touch the third line and curve on the third line. Again, draw sleeping line on the second line. This is small t. Write this line fully. T after small u. Trace the letter. Put your pencil on the second line. Curve and come down. Touch the third line. Go and touch the second line. Again, come down on the line and touch the third line. Like this. So this is what letter? Small u. Write this line fully. U after what letter? Small v. Put your pencil on the second line. Draw like this. Draw like this slanting line. Again, draw another one slanting line like this. This is small v. Write this line fully, children. Take the next page. W. Listen, children. Put your pencil on the second line. Draw slanting line. Draw down. Touch the third line. Again, draw another one slanting line. Go and touch the second line. Again, draw slanting line. Draw down. Touch the third line. Again, draw slanting line. Go and touch the second line. Write this line fully. W after X. Small x. Put your pencil on the second line. Draw slanting line. Go and touch the third line. Again, leave small gap. Put your pencil on the second line and draw slanting line like this. Write this line fully. Children, X after what letter? Y. Put your pencil on the second line. Draw slanting line. Come and touch the third line. Again, put your pencil on the second line and draw another slanting line like this. Come and touch the last red line and curve on the last red line. So this is what letter? Small y. Say, write this line fully. Children, Y after what letter? Yes, small z. Trace the letter. Keep your pencil on the second line. Draw sleeping line on the second line. Again, next keep your finger end on the sleeping line. Draw one slanting line and touch the third line. Next, sleeping line on the third line. Write this line fully. Then see down. Now write the complete set of letters. Now we write small letters A to Z. So this is what letter? Small a. A after what letter? Yes, small b. B after small c. C after small d. D after small e. E after small f. F after small g. G after small h. Small h after small I. I after small j. J after small k. K after small l. Small l after small m. Small m after small n. Small n after small o. Small o after small p. Small p after small q. Say and write, children. Small q after small r. R after small s. S after small t. T after small u. Small u after small v. Small v after small w. Small w after small x. Small x after small y. Y after small z. Okay children, now we completed A to Z. Complete this page children. Thank you.